guys, so what do you take on a 5-week picking trip around the U.S.?
So we are about to dive into our picking, flipping road trip.
That's right.
In just a little bit, and we want to make sure we pack a few vital items. So
That's right. The road trip actually is for 4 weeks until we actually hit the 127 yard sale.
Finishing out with the 127 yard sale.
Starting in Michigan, coming all the way down to Alabama on the 127, the 4-day trek that we're actually going to hit all those yard sales. But we're going to be picking stuff all through the U.S. on our way on the road trip for the 4 weeks before that. So
we're going to take you into the back in just a minute to show you what we're bringing.
That's right.
But before we do that, I had to share one of my biggest things that we make sure we bring, and it is a actual physical atlas. He laughs at me, but it is important. When we were on the 127 yard sale 2 or 3 years ago, we got to a point we had no GPS, we had no internet, and nothing was working, no cell service, and we did not know where we were, and we got lost, and it was getting dark, and I don't like that kind of stuff. So
we survived!
We did survive, but now we have a real road map, because I know how to read a road map. If you don't know how to read one, you should learn how to read one, because it's very important. So that is something that will be packed.
It is. It's a good thing to have, guys. Definitely have it inside the truck. So let's walk back to the back of the truck in the trailer, and we'll show you guys what we do not leave home without. So, all right, guys, the first thing you have to have on a road trip, especially a long one, is our trailer. We have an enclosed trailer that we have to be able to put stuff in when we buy it, and be able to take some of our stuff that we're actually packing. We have the trailer for that. So you got to have a trailer. The next thing you got to have is tools. Whenever we are on a road trip, I always have my tools with me. I have tools that I could pretty much do anything on the road. We have that. Yeah, as you can see in the back of the truck, we have 2 spare tires. Those are trailer spare tires. You got to have 2 spare. I travel with 2 spare tires. We just put brand new tires on the trailer, but it never hurts to have extra spares. We have always had flat tires on the road. So that's 2 things you definitely want to have. Oops. When you're on the road. So let's go see what's in the trailer. All right, the trailer, guys. You got to have a ton of straps. These are very, very important for pickers. You got to have straps. A lot of straps to be able to tie stuff down. And the blankets. We bring a lot of blankets for whatever we buy, so we can package it all in here nice and tight when we're done finding the stuff. We can get it here nice and tight so we can get it back home safely. So other things, we got 2 gas tanks, 2 5-gallon gas tanks. We always keep gas with us. You never know where you're going to be if you're out in the middle of nowhere and something happens. We have gas tanks. I have spare batteries, actually car batteries. I have 1 car and 1 like a jet ski battery, just in case I find something I need to try out. I have that stuff. What else do we have? We have a paddleboard, we have fishing poles, we have all kinds of fun stuff for the kids that we can do. And then we bring waters, we bring cases of waters, which is just cheaper when we're here, and we like the water that we have down here. So we bring that, and then when our cooler runs out, we buy more waters and stuff like that. But for the most part, the important stuff is blankets, straps, tools, and tires. Those are really the 4 things that you need when you're traveling. You do not want to be broken down on the side of the road without having some type of tool or some way to change tires or stuff like that. So
And AAA.
And AAA, we have AAA. We have the premium, or the huge package of AAA, because we have used them all over the United States when something happens. So you definitely want to have that. It's not that much money extra to get that. So if you're doing a road trip, always get AAA. I think that's it. I think that's all that we need. It's very, very important to have your trailer. Like I said, our trailer is not organized the best, but when we start buying stuff, we get it in, we strap it down, we strap it to the ground, strap it to the walls, whatever we have to do to get it in here nice and safe. And then we can rearrange stuff, and we have a ton of room in the back of the truck still to be able to put stuff. So that's it. That's what a picker takes on a 5-week road trip.